Running an online store without the ads is like setting up a stall in the middle of the forest and hoping someone hikes by with a shopping list. You need to be where your customers are on Google, searching for best battery for tools or fast charger for business use. That's where we came in. Hi, so let's talk something most people ignore when launching an online store. They think having great products is enough. It's not. In today's digital world, if your store is not visible, it's not viable, and visibility does not come from just existing. It comes from showing up when people are actively searching. That's what the ads do. They don't just sell, they position you as a solution. Without ads, you are hoping someone stumbles across your site. That's not a strategy. That's a wishful thinking. Hi everyone, my name is Amy, PPC head at Softtrix Digital, and I want to share a journey that speaks directly to every e-commerce founder wondering, can I really compete online? The answer is yes, and here is how we prove it. So our client sells the high quality batteries, chargers and paint sprays for everyday use and the business needs. Their products are reliable, affordable and built to last. But despite having a solid product line, they were struggling to get the traction. Their website was live but the traffic was low. Their social media had followers but no conversions. They were relying on word of mouth and hoping organic reach would carry them. It did not. That's when they reached out to us. Running an online store without the ads is like setting up a stall in the middle of the forest and hoping someone hikes by with a shopping list. You need to be where your customers are on Google, searching for best battery for tools or fast charger for business use. That's where we came in. We didn't just launch the ads, we have built a performance engine. First, we have audited their website and the product pages to ensure they were conversion ready. Then we set up the Google Tag Manager and the GA4 to track every click, scroll and the purchase. We have created custom audiences based on the device usage, business categories and the purchase intent. Our keyword research focus on high intent search terms like long-lasting AA batteries, bulk charger deals and safe power solutions. We have launched a mix of search and the performance max campaign, each tailored to different customer segments. For individuals, we have highlighted the convenience and the affordability. For businesses, we have focused on reliability and bulk pricing. For our ad copy, spoke directly to pain points. Stay powered, always on, safe and trusted performance, and the power tools save money. Tracking was critical. We have implemented the enhanced conversions to capture every sales and the form submission. We have used the manual bidding in the early stages to control spend and optimize the performance. As data rolled in, we have refined the campaigns, adding negative keywords, improving the headlines and testing new creatives. We even ran the remarketing ads for the head to cart abandoners and the product viewers. 3 months in, the impact was clear. Our campaign delivered a 7.34 ROAS, generating £83,000 in terms of monthly revenue. Their website traffic tripled and their customer base expanded well beyond their local region. They have started receiving the bulk orders from businesses, repeat purchases from individuals and inquiries from the industry they had not even targeted. The brand was no longer just selling batteries, it was hardening growth across sectors. This journey proves that you don't need a massive budget to make a massive impact. You just need the right strategy. So at Softtrix Digital, we help brands like this go from invisible to unstoppable. We don't just run the ads, we build systems, optimize funnels and guide you every step of the way. So if you are sitting there thinking, I have a great product but no sales, you are not alone. Most founders start there, but with the right team, you can turn your store into a brand, your clicks into the customers and your traffic into the revenue. So let's build something powerful together. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel. Your story could be next. So let me know if you like this adapted or a video script, blog post or the presentation deck. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your account and then we can give you the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. We can also send you the plan of action. If you do not have any ads running, we can let you know what exactly needs to be done so that you can start getting some more sales online and bring your business online to the next level. Thank you for watching the video.